So let's see how to fix up a slow iPhone very easily. So for fixing a slow iPhone, what you have to do, you have to just go to settings on your iPhone and now go to general, tap on general and tap on background app refresh. Now here's the thing, there are many apps which are not needed, okay, and for a background app running stance, okay. So there may be some not so useful apps which are running in background and constantly making it slow. So what you can do in that case, you can turn those apps background app refresh off, okay. If you don't use them and it is not so important for you, you can turn them off, okay. Since there are some apps which need background app refresh settings, so you may leave them on, but if you see not so useful apps, you can turn the background app refresh for them as off, okay. And then try again and see whether it makes your phone faster, because it will make your phone faster. Now the second thing is, if you right swipe continuously, you will reach to this widget page. So if you are not using some of the widgets, you can turn them off, remove them, okay. So let's say I don't use this widget and it is added here. So what you can do, you can just long press and remove that widget, okay. So in this way, just try to remove non-used widgets, okay, so that your phone becomes faster. The third thing is, just go to settings and tap on your Apple ID and tap on iCloud, and if the iCloud is full, it may happen that your phone is having a low storage also. So what you can do, you can try deleting some non-useful videos, large sized videos, to save some space. So in photos, just go to videos section and delete some large sized videos so that it frees up some hard disk space and it makes your phone faster. Now another thing which you can try is to force restarting your iPhone. So force restarting your iPhone also makes your phone fast. So for that, just press the volume up button once, down button once, and then press the right side, long press the right side key and keep it pressed for few seconds until you see the Apple iPhone logo appearing on the center of the screen. Once the Apple iPhone logo appears on the center of the screen, you can just leave the right side key, and this way your iPhone is forcefully restarted, and see whether your issue has been resolved or not. Now if this also does not fixes your issue, there is one more thing which you can do, and that is, if your iPhone is not updated, it also becomes slow. So for that, what you have to do, you have to just go to settings, and then in the settings home page, you have to go to general, tap on general and tap on software update. And if there are any updates available for your iPhone, just try to download and install that update and make your iPhone updated to the latest version. Now if this also does not fixes and it doesn't make your iPhone faster, then you can turn off location services, which is rarely used. If you use certain services like maps, it is used, but for most of the reason, if you can turn this off, this will make your iPhone faster. So just go to settings and go to privacy and security, tap on it and tap on location services and just turn it off, okay. This also makes your iPhone faster. Now if this also does not fix your issue, make sure your iPhone is not in low power mode. So for checking that, just go to settings and just scroll down so that search bar appears, and then search low power mode, tap on it, and if low power mode is on, just turn it off. Now what you have to do, if this also does not fix your issue, then what you can do, in the setting section you can turn on reduce motion on iPhone. So how to do this? You have to just go to settings and scroll down and find accessibility, tap on it, and now in the accessibility tap on motion. Okay, and now tap on reduce motion and see whether it fixes your issue or not. So that's it guys, these are all the tips to make your iPhone faster, and please feel free to comment down below whether it made your iPhone faster or not, and like and subscribe to our video. Thanks for watching guys, please do like the video.